180 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 18 July 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, 92 people recovered on 18 July 2020. Total confirmed cases in the states are 3,484. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,425. Total recovered cases stands at 2,038. Total 21 deaths are reported till 18 July 2020. Out of 5,489 samples tested, 1,816 are negative, 180 are positive, 3,493 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 28. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 168, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 18 July 2020. Breakup of total 1,425 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CHC Vicholim 10, CHC Sakre 52, CHC Pernam 18, CHC Valpai 23, Urban Health Center UHC Mapsa 38, UHC Panji 18, Primary Health Center PHC Aldona 0, PHC Bedki 42, PHC Kandolim 29, PHC Kansarvarnam 6, PHC Kurwae 5, PHC Golem 23, PHC Jimbal 93, PHC Siolim 7, PHC Purvarim 22, PHC Mayam 0. Travel by road, train, flight 134. South Goa Community Health Center CHC Kurchorim 10, CHC Kankona 6, Urban Health Center UHC Margao 42, UHC Vasco 272, Primary Health Center PSC Bali 10, PSC Kansalim 8, PSC Chinchirim 2, PSC Kortalim 365, PSC Kurtorim 10, PSC Lutolim 33, PSC Marsayam 15, PSC Kwapam 25, PSC Sangam 1, PSC Shiroda 17, PSC Darbandora 24, PSC Ponda 49, PSC Navelim 16. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.